वेलकम गाइस, वेलकम। ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा हटके होने वाला है। आई होप यू ऑल आर गोइंग थ्रू माई वीडियोस एंड प्लीज do not forget to like, comment and share, or whether it is critics, whether I am right or wrong, please tell me. Okay, whatever your xyz reply is. Okay, now as I said before that there is many things between 0 to 1. Many things happens between 0 to 1, and I'm going to show you in terms of energy what is below 1 but greater than 0. What is below 1 but greater than 0? Look here, for an example, 10 raised to minus 34, which is very less photon energy of a photon with a frequency of 1 hertz. A photon whose frequency may be of 1 hertz. आप AM FM रेडियो के बारे में तो पता ही होगा आपको। यहाँ पे देखिए 10 raised to minus 28 energy of a typical AM radio photon. Okay, so it is going towards the microscopic world. It is going towards the microscopic world. Okay, thermal energy of in each degree of a freedom of molecule. Still we are 2 into 10 raised to minus 21. Still we are on microscopic molecule level and atomic level. Hydrogen bond energy is getting increased, 10 raised to minus 21, minus 19, minus 18. Okay, look at the 10 raised to minus 15 average kinetic energy of one human red blood cells, the red blood cells which are flowing into your veins. So do they have a kinetic energy? Because half mv square is equals to mass, so they gonna have a kinetic energy. Okay, now energy of a gamma ray photons, 10 raised to minus 14. Okay, rest mass energy of proton, अगर 10 raised to minus 10, 1.5030 into 10 raised to minus 10 proton का mass if he is in a rest. Still we are moving down and we are into 10 raised to minus 1. This is so much awesome. Energy of an American $50 falling from 1 meter. आप अपना हाथ रखिए और एक $1, अभी पता नहीं, मैं कभी यूएसए गया नहीं, उसका वेट क्या होगा $1 का, वो 1 मीटर की दूरी से आप अपने हाथ पे छोड़ दीजिए, वो आके हिट करेगा आपके हाथ को, तो वो 10 raised to minus 1 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 1 joules इतनी एनर्जी आपको देगा. Okay, let us move. Now we are moving to the macroscopic world. 10 raised to 0, 4.1868 जूल कैलोरी, 1 इंटरनेशनल कैलोरी आप जब खाते हैं तो. ओके, लेट्स मूव 10 raised kinetic 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 2 kinetic energy of an average person jumping as high as they can. ओके, तो वो ऊपर गया फिर से नीचे आया काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके, 3 into 10 raised to 3.3 into 10 raised to 2 energy to melt 1 gram of ice. Are you getting? Energy is everywhere. कोई भी काम करो आप, energy is everywhere. Let's move. मुझे आपको एक important चीज़ बतानी है. Okay, 7.8 into 10 raised to 2 kinetic energy of 7.26 kg standard main shot thrown at 14.7 meter per second by the world record holder Randy Barnes. Okay, will this hit you? अगर ये Randy Barnes ने जो क्या 7.8 into 10 raised to 2 का जो फेंका है शॉट, वो आपको हिट किया, हाउ मच विल इट हिट यू? ओके, ये आप खुद don't do that, but just try to imagine. Okay, now I want to go further. 2 into 10 raised to 2.3 into 10 raised to 3 energy to vaporize 1 gram of water into steam. Okay, that is the heat energy. Okay, 4.2 into 10 raised to 3 joule energy released by explosion of 1 gram of TNT. TNT means something, this unit is something related to atomic bomb. Okay, 9 into 10 raised to 3 joule energy of an alkaline AA battery which we use. Okay, now this is awesome. 3 into 10 raised to 5 into 15 into 10 raised to 5 Kinetic energy of an automobile at highway speeds 89 किलोमीटर पर आवर और उसका वेट है 1 to 5 टन. Definitely you gonna die. Okay, definitely you gonna die. Definitely you gonna die. Okay, 4.2 into 10 raised to 6 joule energy released by explosion of 1 kilogram of TNT. ओके नाउ यहाँ पे कहीं पे हिरोशिमा नागासाकी का भी लिखा रहेगा वो एनर्जी कितनी थी. ओके calorie, okay, look at the Michael Phelps, 4.2 into 10 raised to 7 calorie energy consumed by Olympian Michael Phelps on daily basis during Olympic training. This is so awesome. Okay, yeah, at extreme energy consuming in bodybuilding is also something related to 4.2 into 10 raised to 5 range. Okay, but Michael Phelps has gone beyond that. Work 1.1 into 10 raised to 8 joule, won Tour de France, 19 hours ride at 5 weight kg by a 65 kg rider. Okay, 5 watts per kg. 10 into 10 raised to 9 joule energy in an average lightning bolt. Okay, this is something beyond the line. We are moving to 10 raised to 9. 4.5 into 10 raised to 9 average annual energy uses of a standard refrigerator. Here electric energy is gonna used. Okay, 2.4 into 10 raised to 11 joule approximate food energy consumed by an average human in 80 years of lifetime. Okay, so this is what you have to go through it. There is something Hiroshima Nagasaki is also over there. I want to search where there is no search option over here. Okay, Hiroshima Nagasaki atomic bomb explosion happened. Okay, look at this, 1.2 into 10 raised to 9 100 ton Boeing 757 200 moving at 154 meter per second. Okay, so guys, microscopic is too much important to understand. Macroscopic to you can feel in daily life also. Okay, so this is what you have to go on through it. This is what you have to go on. This is what you should understand. I'll make one more video on force also. Okay, so till then I hope you liked it. I hope I have gone through something bit interesting, that microscopic and macroscopic, how energy is happening around you and you are not getting it. You have to realize it, that how energy is happening around you. I hope you liked it. Take care of your family in this corona pandemic. I'm Kunal signing out.